Hey guys, welcome back to my channel MATHit School, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can solve 4x for a problem like this without using your calculator. As long as you know a few tricks and exponent rules, you'll be able to easily solve this question in minutes. Now if you do know, or if you think you do know how to solve this question without a calculator, then go ahead, pause this video and solve it yourself. Post your final answer in the comment section. I'm going to reveal the final answer in just minutes, so let's see whether you got this question right or not. If you don't know what to do with this question or how to approach this question, don't worry, I'm going to get started right now. So the first thing that you do, or what I recommend you to do, is look at the roots of these numbers. These are all numbers made up of prime number of 2. So let's break them down. This one will stay the same. Meanwhile, this one, number 4, is made up of 2 squared, or 2 multiplied twice. So I'm going to exchange this number to 2 squared. And then I'm going to take a look at this number and break it down and express in terms of 2. Now I do not know how many 2's are multiplied to give me 32, so I'm going to draw myself a factorization tree. I'm going to write 32, and what is 32 made out of? Well, off the top of my head, I can think of 4 and 8 multiplied together to give me 32. Now, neither 4 nor 8 is a prime number, so I'm going to continue dividing until I reach a prime number. 4 is made out of 2 times 2, and since both these numbers are prime numbers, I'm going to circle them, meaning that this part of a tree is done. I'm going to move on to another part of the tree. 8 is made out of 4 times 2. 2 is a prime number, which means I need to circle it. I'm going to further break down 4 into 2 times 2 and circle these as well. Now, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2's. So I can express 32 as 2 multiplied 5 times, or 2 raised to the power of 5. So I'm going to replace 32 with 2 to the 5th. And rewrite the whole thing. So let's go ahead and do that. I have 2 raised to the power of 3 plus x multiplied by 2 squared. That's a little too small. And then the whole thing raised to the power of 3x is equal to 2 raised to the power of 5. Take everything, raised to the power of x plus 1. Now at this point, you need to know the exponent rule that goes like this. If you have x raised to the power of a raised to the power of b, what do you have? You have x raised to the power of a times b. Now with this rule in mind, let's solve this one out. Now I have 3 plus x times, I'm going to multiply these two. 2 raised to the power of 6x is equal to 2 raised to the power of, I'm going to multiply these two, 5 times x plus 1, or it's equal to 5x plus 5. So why don't I just write that down instead? So I have 2 raised to the power of 5x plus 5. That's much neater, right? So let's erase a few things and move my slide up a little bit. Now that I have this, it's going to be much easier. Now to solve this, I need one more rule of exponent, and that is if you have x raised to the power of a multiplied by x raised to the power of b, it's equal to x raised to the power of a plus b. Not a times b, it's a plus b. So with this in mind, let's solve this one. 2 raised to the power of 3 plus x times 2 raised to the power of 6x will equal to 2 raised to the power of 3 plus x plus 6x, and that'll equal to 2 raised to the power of 5x plus 5. Now we're talking this number should equal this number since we have the same root. So I'm gonna rewrite it as 3 plus x plus 6x should equal 5x plus 5. Now we have a simple equation. We can now solve for x. So let's again move things up a little bit so that we can solve this problem on this limited space. Now I am going to add all the like terms together. I have 3 plus 7x on the left side of the equation. On the right side, I have 5x plus 5. Now I am going to put all the x terms on the left side of the equation and all the integer terms on the right side of the equation. How do I do that? Is I am going to get rid of 5x from the right side by subtracting 5x from both sides of the equation. I'll be able to get rid of that 5x from the right side of the equation and end up with 2x plus 3 is equal to 5. Now let's try to get rid of this 3 by subtracting 3 from both sides. Now I get 2x is equal to 5 minus 3 or 2, and that means my x is equal to 1, and that'll be my final answer, you guys. So this is how I would go about to solve this problem without a calculator. For this, you needed to know how to draw a factorization tree to express these big numbers in terms of a prime number raised to the power of something, and then you also needed to know a few rules of exponents. Now, if you want more practice with me, you can visit my website at MATHit.school, where you can access my worksheets as well as my video solutions to all problems that are on my worksheets. And you can access them by clicking Enroll Now button right there. And if this video helped you in any way, please like this video. Also share it with your friends. Now, subscribing to my channel will give you more access to my videos and video tutorials to many tricky math related questions. It'll definitely help boost your math grade at school, so please consider subscribing to my channel as well. Well, this is it for you guys for today. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you guys with another video. Bye!